Well, hello there. Welcome back to Your First Book 101. This is part 2 of 10 in a 10-part series. This is called The Author's Mental Blocks. So, this is so important for you to realize as an author, as a writer, as someone who's unpublished, someone who has a lot of ideas, content creators, folks that just love to play with words and ideas. Know that just because you have a lot of ideas and creativity doesn't mean that you are going to be able to actually get these things out into the world, because you need to get into a state of flow. One of the things that, well, there's multiple things that stop you from getting into a state of flow. The biggest thing that stops you from getting into a state of flow is fear. And authors, writers, creatives, we have a whole different flavor of fear, because our fear is fear of being seen and heard and possibly humiliated in public, right? Because we were born to be performers. We were born to be the face. We were born to be in the front, to be seen, right? We have ideas that are important. We have things that we're creating, and we want to be out in the world, but we want our ideas to take the forefront. But in order for your ideas to be accepted and take the forefront, you have to be accepted. You have to be seen and heard and supported. And the first person that has to do that is you. You have to believe in you so wholeheartedly that nobody can tell you that you're not important. And that takes a lot of work. That takes a lot of inner work. That takes a lot of journaling. That takes a lot of growth. And so today I want to talk to you about the biggest mental blocks that we as authors will ever face in our lives. And once you figure out and work through these big mental blocks, then you'll finally be able to create something amazing, and the world will be able to recognize you for the genius that you are. And not only that, but people will be able to be blessed and enlightened from your ideas and your products. Okay? All right, so these are the big mental blocks: procrastination, writer's block, and imposter syndrome. Now, I've got different videos. I'm going to cover each one of those on its own. But I just want you to understand that these are the biggest blocks. And if you can get rid of these blocks, then you can move on and you can be unstoppable. You can be unstoppable. Okay? You can accomplish anything, because once you lean in and accept your own genius and start to show up as your true authentic self and speak in your true authentic voice, then you can do anything. And the people who were meant to see you are going to see you. The people that you were meant to serve, they're going to be so excited that you finally decided to show up. All right? So these mental blocks come from fear. You procrastinate because you don't know what's on the other side of that performance. So you don't rehearse, you don't practice, because you're not quite confident about how you're going to do, right? You have writer's block. You keep tearing up the papers and throwing them on the floor because you're not quite sure if it's good enough. You keep editing yourself. Instead of letting the editor edit, you keep editing your work. You keep editing that post. You keep deleting videos. You did the video, but you keep deleting it because it didn't get any likes, right? You have to know that you know that you know in your bones that you're doing a great job. And how do you know that? Because you just have to show up and do it anyway. Whether or not you feel like it, you have to face the fear and do it anyway, because you're going to fail. And guess what? We're all scared, but we have to do it scared, right? So once you start understanding where these fears come from, you will be able to move through them. Now, will you be able to overcome some of these blocks? Yes. Will you be able to completely get rid of them altogether? No. You're a human being. You're going to deal with these problems until you pass into the another realm, right? Until you are no longer in existence, you are always going to have something that's blocking you and trying to stop you. But you decide whether or not these blocks get to stop you. Okay. So I want you to take out a piece of paper right now, and I want you to write down procrastination, writer's block, imposter syndrome. And I want you to write down, what have you done to help yourself overcome these things? Right? What have you done to support yourself? See, I have a lot of strategies to support you. But when you work with me, as my clients have done, you have to come through the door with strategies that you have tried for yourself. And when you do that, the transformation is real, right? You heard the saying, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. Well, I'm here. And when you're ready, I'm here. And when you're not ready, I'm still here. And so I want you to think about, and I want you to write out how you deal with these blocks. And I'm going to deal with each one of these blocks in the next coming videos. Okay. So do that writing activity and go into the comments underneath this video. Click the link so that you can book a call with me, because I want to hear about your blocks and what you've tried already to overcome them. All right. See you soon. Bye.